What's up, folks? Heine's Morning Update. September 29th, end of month, end of quarter. Right now, futures are higher, about 20. Interesting. So we've had a high of 61, low of 27. 20 still my bottom here that I'm watching, 22.20. We get back below that, and then I think we can test that 05, 01, 77, pretty much 55.50, and then we have a 42.22 200-day moving average. I don't see that. That 55.50 level should be tops if we were to dump. Interesting move upside before the number, to be honest. I never trust that type of stuff. It's always suspect to me. Upside again, 68, 70 is what I'm watching. We do have stuff to clean up to 82. And then we get into that 4,000. 4,011 would also be a level I'm watching, as it's the 100-day moving average. Tippy top here is 44, 44 again. Again, I don't see us up 110 points, but anything is possible. So probably this 4,000 level, or the 82. I'll be watching both of those. Nothing screams out to me as a hard stop. Again, I don't like when we're up 20 before this number. That's just it makes me feel uneasy. Here's your hourly. Pivots 33, 43.65s R1, 87s R2. That's okay. 44.19. That's not bad, actually, that R3. 43.10 kind of coincides with that 05, 07. 78's pretty perfect. It's right there with that 77, and 42.55 is actually spot on. So I like the downside ones. Upside are here's our travel down, park up. So again, that's that 44.11 is the 100-day, 42.22 is your 200. So we're still kind of tapped in between those two. Here's your monthly. So to get the month green, they can't do it. 45.18. So I don't know. We'll see. Again, that 44.11, I forgot about that level, is going to be interesting. So that's actually, as I look at that, that's probably something I will watch more so. Euro has tweezered, so that they did save that 05 level. Now they're coming back up. We're at almost 06 right now. Again, we'll see after all the numbers what happens. We're smack dead in between. We tapped into this cash gap yesterday, upside by a few points, just like we did this one, downside by a few points. So we're kind of in between that, although... So the 43.17.37, that'll be something I'll watch for sure. And then possibly that 44.02. That would be an interesting move, actually. Maybe about 100 points, but it would clear that cash gap. Anyway, it's something to watch. But these two I'd pay attention to would be the 17.37 and then the downside at 38 down to 21. So we're smack dead in between those two. I would look for maybe a cash gap fill on that one or this one. Maybe an immediate run-up cash gap fill on this and then back down. I don't know. I'm going to wait till all this price action shakes out from these numbers before I would jump into anything. If I trade at all, I will probably just, unless I see an opportunity, I'm not going to. 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. Excuse me, is UMISH, so that could move the number as well. So I don't know. We'll see what this happens. It's just, again, I'm going to reiterate the fact that the early morning ramp up here, it's just, I don't know. I don't trust it. So typically we'd come in right at, unch or a little bit or above or below. It's pretty cocky for the bulls to be riding this up. And anyway, stay safe. I'll be in the room all day, but be careful. This is probably going to be a fairly swinging day. Maybe we get lucky and get a good, nice trend day, but I don't know what to expect. So I'm just going to put my hands in my pockets and watch.